This is a BSA 1964 A50 500cc Star. It's a project bike because I haven't got it running. It turns over, it's got a spark, and it has fired. The carb's leaking petrol, and I've just put a little bit of oil in it. So easy project to get running, I'm sure. The gears select, the clutch works, the brakes work. Even though it's right down there, it does work. It's got 4,500 miles on the clock. I'll just see if it fires now. So, I never know. See, it's leaking petrol there. No, it didn't fire then. Must have been earlier. I did have a bit of easy start around as well. Nice old bike there.